Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? I am Irfan Khalid, and our today's topic of discussion is VLANs. Before starting about a discussion about VLANs, let us see what is a flat network topology. In any network, a flat network topology is single broadcast domain. Let us consider a network in which all devices are layer 2 devices in their default configuration mode. Whenever a packet is broadcasted, that will reach to every device and every port in the network. This kind of network is called flat network. In flat network, every packet is transmitted to anywhere in the network. As number of stations devices in the network increases, so does the number of broadcasts. And when number of broadcasts increases in a network, it increases CPU utilization, memory utilization, buffer utilization. Similarly, it consumes bandwidth. That is a drawback. So, to overcome the drawbacks of flat network topology, we have a concept known as VLANs. What are VLANs? Basically, segmentation of physical network into virtual networks is called VLANs. Physically, your network is same as in flat network topology, but logically you divide your network into different parts. These parts are known as VLANs. By definition, each VLAN is a single broadcast domain. Whenever a packet is broadcasted, that packet remains inside a single VLAN. VLAN have many benefits. All devices connected to VLAN receive broadcasts sent by any other VLAN member. If a device in VLAN 10 sends a packet that broadcasts a packet, that packet will be sent to all devices in VLAN 10. That packet will not be transmitted to devices in VLAN 9. Similarly, the devices which are connected in different VLANs cannot communicate with each other without layer 3 technologies. It means VLAN break a larger broadcast domain into smaller multiple broadcast domains. VLANs add a layer of security in our network. How? The end users of VLAN 7 cannot obtain the packets from VLAN 10. Similarly, devices from any other VLAN cannot receive packets from VLAN. Uh, okay. Make device management easier. VLANs, using VLANs, we can group our systems, our PCs, our devices depending upon their functionality instead of geographical groups. Let us suppose we have 1,000 systems, 1,000 devices in our network. Some are located at floor 1, some are located at floor 2, some are at floor 3, so on so forth. We have different operational teams. Some are in administration, some are in development, some are in operation, some are in production, some are in IT, some are in marketing. We cannot simply allot floor 1 to a single department. Using VLANs, we can allot a space to a person belonging to marketing at any floor. We have created VLANs. How end devices are allotted membership. To allot membership, there are two methods. One is static VLAN configuration. Second is dynamic VLAN assignment. Let us discuss static VLAN configuration. Static VLAN configuration is simple port-based membership in which each port is assigned a specific VLAN. For example, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 can be member of VLAN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will assign a VLAN to that port. End user devices become member in VLAN based on physical switch port to which they are connected. Here are some basic configuration commands. On switch, we will go to global configuration mode. We will type the command VLAN. Let us see it on our simulator. We have a switch, console. Okay. How to create a VLAN? VLAN question mark word number word ISL VLAN ID VLAN 10. We name it IT exit VLAN 20 name finance exit exit. Let's check how our VLANs show VLANs IT and finance that are created. But as we can see that all interfaces Ethernet 00 to Ethernet 3 by 3 are member of default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. Our next step is to allot IT and finance ports. We will allot port allocation. How? Configure terminal VLAN 10 PC1 PC2 which are connected at Ethernet 00 and 01, PC3 and PC4 VLAN 20 which are connected at 02 and 03. Let us configure it. Interface Ethernet 0 0/0 switch port access switch port mode access switch port access G. PC1 is member of which VLAN? VLAN 10 switch port access VLAN 10 exit interface 01 is member of VLAN 10, so switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Similarly, let's verify it. Do show. You can see Ethernet 00 and 01 are member of IT. Let's configure for. Let us configure both interfaces 02 and 03 by a single command. Interface range Ethernet 0/2 3 switch port mode. We have two modes, multiple modes. Access modes, it is mostly used for end devices. Dynamic, which is used to negotiate access, and trunk that is used to transmit more than one VLAN traffic on single lane. Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN, which VLAN? VLAN 20 exit. Once again, let's verify our VLANs do show. Okay, now you can see finance have two interfaces, 02 and 03. Let's check whether these PCs can communicate with each other or not. PC1 show IP, it has 10.1.1, PC2 10.1.1. PC number 2. Okay, it will be PC2 being 10.1.1.2. Okay, PC1 can communicate with PC2. Let's check it for PC3. Oh, host unreachable. Why? Because PC3 is located in a different VLAN. Let's check for 4. Once again, ping failed. Let's verify from PC3. Can PC3 ping 10.1.1.4? Yes, because both are located in the same VLAN. PC2 not reachable because both PCs PC3 and PC4 2 are in different VLANs, so they cannot communicate with each other. I hope you got the concept of VLANs and access port. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.